Little storyteller.
Lily and Tom loved visiting Grandma Rose's sunny attic. Today, a shiny wooden box sat on a table covered with a polka dot cloth. "This is my mystery box." Grandma Rose twinkled. "It gives us ideas for amazing new animals." The box glowed softly, and 3 cards popped out: fluffy bunny ears, long swishy squirrel tail, and tiny sparkly butterfly wings. Lily giggled. "Let's draw it." They spread big sheets of paper and colorful crayons on the floor. Lily drew a round, fluffy body with big bunny ears on top. Tom added a long, swishy squirrel tail, perfect for balancing. Then they carefully drew tiny, sparkly butterfly wings on its back. "It's a flutter bunny," Lily declared. The next day, the mystery box gave them soft, sheep wool, bendy octopus arms, and bright, chirping bird beak. Tom started drawing. He made a cuddly creature covered in soft, white wool. Instead of legs, it had bendy octopus arms that could reach for tasty berries. And on its face was a bright, yellow bird beak that made happy chirping sounds. "Look! It's a woolipus!" Tom exclaimed. The flutter bunny and the woolipus became best friends in their drawings. They played together in a field of bright blue flowers, under a sunny yellow sky. The flutter bunny would flutter just above the flowers, and the woolipus would gently pick the sweetest ones with its bendy arms. One sunny afternoon, the mystery box showed tall giraffe neck, bouncy kangaroo legs, and gentle humming bee wings. Lily and Tom worked together. Lily drew a tall spotted neck, reaching up to the tallest, juiciest leaves. Tom added strong, bouncy kangaroo legs that could hop over tall grass. And on its back, they drew small, clear wings that hummed softly like a happy bee. "It's a hop neck," they cheered. The hop neck joined the flutter bunny and the woolipus in their drawing world. But the hop neck was too tall to play hide and seek amongst the flowers. It felt a little left out. The flutter bunny and the woolipus looked at each other. The flutter bunny fluttered up to a high branch and brought down some soft, colorful leaves for the hop neck. The woolipus used its bendy arms to gently push aside some tall grasses, making a big, open space. Now the hop neck had a special place to play, where it could use its tall neck to see far away, and its bouncy legs to leap with joy. All 3 magical animals played happily together. Grandma Rose smiled. "See, even different friends can find ways to have fun together."
Please subscribe. Thank you.